Hi, so let's make a centerpiece. I want to make a gold centerpiece. So I have this container. You can either buy containers like this in any arts and crafts stores, or if you don't have a container, you can use a plate if you have a long plate or any plate. And I'm also going to use one slab of a piece of oasis, which I have already soaked it well in water. It's little wider for my container, so I'm gonna cut a little bit. Okay. So, and this container has some kind of needles in the bottom. So when you put this and push it, it's gonna get perfectly set. So for the centerpiece, I can either use candles, or I can use some tall flowers, or I can use some ornaments, anything you want. So I want to make this like a gold centerpiece. So I'm going to use gold candles. The candles also, you can buy them from arts and crafts stores, and these are the candle holders. So what you do, you just push it and just put wherever you want. Perfect. And they never move. And I'm going to put 2 candles, gold candles. But like I said, you can use any other candles, red, green, however you want. So here is my base. So I'm going to use some magnolia leaves, which I've already sprayed them with gold spray. You can be creative, it's very nice. So I'm going to cut the ones that with more leaves and put it on the side. Okay. And like I said, you can make these as long as you want, make them longer. So this is going to be how long my centerpiece would be. I'm going to use some of the leaves to fill around too. Just like this. Okay. I'm going to use it this side too. These leaves, you can also buy them from Flower Mart or Ralph's or Trader Joe's. Most places at this time of year, they all have different kinds of foliages. See how pretty it is? And I'm also going to use lilies for the centerpieces, because lilies are very pretty flowers, and they also come with lots of buds. But this is a new kind of lily. They call the rose lily. So what they did, they have mixed roses with the lilies, and they came up with this, which is prettier and fuller. So I'm gonna, and then they have lots of buds. The good thing with lots of buds is if you keep your oasis moist, these buds are gonna open and it's gonna keep the flowers alive for a long time. So I'm gonna put some on the side. And I'm also going to put some lilies like this. I will do the same thing to this side. Lilies are so beautiful. Such a beautiful flowers. Okay. And I'm gonna use some buds. Like I said, the buds are gonna open up and be lasting forever. I'm gonna put some of them. I'm gonna mainly use more lilies for this, because not only they're pretty, they have a very nice smell too. better. So I want to make sure I have everything on both sides. These are very nice by the candles. Okay, one of them on this side too. Okay, I'm going to add now some roses and other flowers too. But these lilies are so nice. I can't. Okay, so this is as far as the lilies go. Now I'm going to add more other flowers. I'm going to add some roses. Okay, I'm going to add my roses. I like to put them all like together, like 2-3 of them together, like this. This side also. Now I'm going to turn this way so I can put this side too. Okay, beautiful. I'm also going to add some pine cones. Like I said, I really like them, the white one. I'm gonna put them just where the candles are, by the candles. I'm gonna put 2 on the other side. So beautiful. Like I said, nothing is more beautiful than flowers. I'm going to put this side. Okay. Voila. You can also, if you want, lilies are very beautiful, but you can also use other flowers. Let me see. And if you want, you can add some pine foliage too, to give it some pine look. Voila! See how beautiful your centerpiece is? You can either use it, put it on a foyer or half table, or put it on your Christmas dinner table, and it smells so good. The pine cones, the lilies, the roses, And the candles, if you want to go different colors, which I'm going to not do another different color, you can use different colors. If you don't want candles, you can use different kinds of flowers that they are tall. But this is so beautiful, unbelievable. Thanks for watching. I can't believe this. Oh, so good. Thank you. See you next. And don't forget, do your free subscription. Bye.